Kharasha bin Hur states, I was sitting in the company of people in the masjid of Madina Munawwara. A handsome old man was also sitting there. He was Hazrat Abdullah bin Salam radiyallahu anhu. He was having a good talk with the people. When he had gone, the people said, whosoever would like to become glad on seeing a paradise dweller should look at him. I said to myself, I will follow him and find his residence. So I followed him. He kept walking until he was about to go out of the city. He then entered his house and I sought his permission to enter. He gave me the permission. He asked, O nephew, what brought you here? I submitted, I have heard the people say, whoever would like to see a paradise dweller should look at this man. So I love to stay with you. He replied, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows the best who a paradise dweller is. I tell you why they say so. When I was asleep, a man came to me and said to me, get up. He then held my hand and I proceeded along with him. I saw an avenue on my left side, so I was about to follow it. But he said to me, do not go to this side. These are the paths meant for the infidels. Then I found an avenue on my right side. He said, follow it. I then reached a mountain. He said, climb it. I tried to climb, but I fell down on my buttocks. I tried again and again to climb, but every time I fell down. He then walked along with me until I reached a pillar whose top was in the sky and bottom was in the ground, and there was handhold at its top. He asked me to climb it. I asked, how can I climb it as its top is in the sky? He then held my hand and helped me climb up. I then saw that I was holding that handhold. He then struck the pillar, so it fell down, but I remained suspended with the handhold until the morning. I then entered the presence of the Prophet ﷺ and narrated this dream to him. He ﷺ said, the paths you saw on the left side are the paths of left-siders, the doomed, and the paths you saw on the right side are the paths of the right-siders, paradise dwellers. As for the mountain, that was the destination of martyrs which you will not be able to acquire. As for the pillar, that is the pillar of Islam. As for handhold, that is the handhold of Islam, and you will keep holding it tight until you die. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6333.